there's some air coming out of here. I believe that's the WD-40 stuff that is burning out, so probably we'll have to go right and see. And then I'll go right and I'll see if it still comes out. If it still come out, I'll have to take it out and put some gear gasket sealant. As I've shown you before, here there's no air coming out now. Here before there was a lot of air, smoke coming out of these header pipes. I guess it's because all the sealant and all the things that we put in there, like you know, to clean the pipes and so forth, so that was burning out. But there's no coming out anymore, so hopefully that's pretty airtight. Okay, so we're gonna finish up the process now. All right, we're gonna put the cover, and hopefully this is the most the thing is to cover it up. The most sensitive. I think it's because of the liquid that we put in there, so the WD-40 stuff. So because everything else looks very nice and pretty nice. Okay, no problem. All right.